Hello friends, in today's video we'll be learning about how to frame the equation, quadratic equation, provided you have three given points. Remember, we are forming a parabola or a given quadratic equation when you have 3 points with you. So what you're going to do, as we know, when we have 3 points or like 1 point or whether 2 points, basically the point is of the x and the y axis, the x coordinate and the y coordinate. That's what we're going to do. You just have to remember the standard, I would say the general form of the parabola or the quadratic equation that we have ax squared plus bx plus c. Take your 3 points respectively as our x and y and substitute in the general form of the given quadratic or a quadratic equation. So here I'm going to use either any of this among these 3 points. So let me take the first one, y is 2, substitute your x, that is negative 2, throughout the general quadratic equation or the parabola that we have. This will give me 4a negative 2b positive c is equals to 2. I'm going to keep it like that. I'm not going to do anything over here unless we have a particular value. Let's just take the next. Similarly, we have this x as 0 and our next point is y. Substitute in this one. Let me just change the color so that we can easily remember. In this particular general form of the parabola, you have to substitute this point. So I'm going to do with the next set of points now. That is y value is 1. Upon substituting x as 0, this becomes 0, this b, and I'm left with only the c. So it means my c value is 1, which ultimately we have to substitute in the other two equations that we have from these two set of points. So let me take the another point, that is x and y, and substitute accordingly in the general form. My y is negative 2.5 is equals to, upon substituting x is equals to 1, I'm going to get a plus b plus c. As I told you, this particular value we are going to substitute in the another two, the rectangular boxes that I have done with the blue color. Okay, just substitute c, you get a new set of equations in terms of two variables rather than three. So I have 4a minus 2b plus c, which is 1, equals to 2. Likewise, I will have for this also, that is a plus b plus c. I'm directly keeping it as 1 because already we got the value, equals to negative 2.5. So what will happen to this one then after that? When you shift it to the other side, subtract 1 from 2, and respectively for this, you will have 4a minus 2b is equals to 1, and this will be reduced to a plus b is equals to negative 3.5. You can use elimination, a crisscross method, or a substitution method in order to get the value of a and b. So what I'm going to do is to multiply this with 2 so that my coefficients of b term will remain equal. So when I'm doing it with 2, what will I get over here? This will change to 7. This will be 2b, and this is going to be 2a. So I'm just writing it directly, 2b, and this upon multiplying with 2 will give me negative 7. So write the change over here directly. Now direct cancellation, if they would have been the same sign, we would have taken the opposite sign over here to the below linear equation. So now since they were same, this thing will reduce to a single term rather than 2, negative 6. So now my a value is nothing but negative 1. What I'm going to do with this a value, substituting in any of this, you will get your corresponding b answer along with the c, which we already got it. So let me substitute in the first one, the top equation that we have, 4a minus 2b is equals to 1. A is negative 1, so negative a. So b is going to give me 5, which means b is equals to negative 5 over 2. Upon getting this all answers, so upon getting this particular value, that we have, b is equals to negative 5 by 2, which seems a bit or like a fraction. You can convert that to decimal, means you can get it as negative 2.5. So with these three set of values that we have, A, B, and C, substitute in your general form of the parabola. So your parabola on the extreme left that I'm doing over here, substitute A is negative. So negative 1 means minus x square. B, as we got negative, that is 2.5x, and C is positive 1. That's it. So this is your equation, quadratic equation, or the equation of a parabola that you got. Whenever you have 3 points given, you can work it out like that. So here as an example, I've taken one more 3 points that we have. Easily you can do it now as a practice. Take it as x and y, each point, and then substitute correspondingly in y and x. You get 3 set of equations. Solve it, you'll get your answer. I hope you like the video. Please spread the knowledge. Enjoy math. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.